Guys, I really welcome you to our session. So please make sure that you mute your mics that side so that you don't disturb me this side. Welcome to Forex Trading Institute, guys. So I think at this session it won't be that long because we are just gonna be identifying BOS brick of market structure together with a ChoCh. You will understand what is ChoCh after this session, guys. So let's stay tuned. Let's stay tuned. Let's stay tuned, team. I'm gonna start by after 3 minutes. Nyana, let's wait for others to join because I've invited some more people to come and join us. In the meantime, let me share my screen, guys. This thing today is very simple. So since I'm home, I'm having a funeral, so it's gonna be hard for me to keep holding more sessions because of network, and also since I'm at the funeral, it's a busy place, so they don't want noise as usual, you know, guys. So, but then I'll try by all means, the small chance that I get will work. By the small chance that I get, we will push. New week. So make sure at the end of every week you've gained some knowledge on Forex. So make sure you don't lose my sessions because I'm using my small time to share some knowledge with you. So guys, I think now you are able to see my screen here, my background. This is a Forex chart. It's an index chart. It's H. So let me see H1. I think on H4, everything that I want to show you, it's clear. So guys, the things that we're talking about, they are derived from market structures. Né? Market structures, you know what's a market structure, guys? A market structure, you know what's a market structure. So in short, I won't be teaching you what's a market structure. Already you know what's a market structure. If you don't know, I have a video there on YouTube. I've uploaded it explaining market structure. So these things are from market structure, simple things. Hey. So guys, I don't know what's wrong. My Zoom is telling me that I've 10 minutes running out of time. So I think the best thing that we must do, we must move fast. It's very fast with this thing. It's very simple. So okay, guys, if you check now, we are having an uptrend. So you know market structures, we're having an uptrend and also a downtrend and also market structure. So if you can check, we're gonna be focusing on this highlighted zone. You see this highlighted zone, guys. This is our bullish market structure. So I'm gonna be, since this app it's limiting me to time, so I think they've limited me. They give me almost 15 minutes now, so I can't pay for Zoom. It's not that worth it. So okay, guys, yeah, this, if you can check here, we are having a, let me do this. Okay, let's start here. If you can check these zones that I'm drawing them, you'll see what I'm talking about. You know these things. If you can check, you know these things, guys. You really know these things. You see? So the things that I'm gonna be talking about, they are from this market structure, this higher high. Okay. Identify these levels on any time frame. So this is once you know that an uptrend is built from you know that an uptrend is built from a series of what? A lower lows, a higher lows, and higher highs. Lower high. You know these things, guys. You really know these things. You see? There's something like this there. So I want to also break of market structure or break of structure. So I think we are able to, you guys, a condition where we must get a signal from the market going by and lower highs. Now, so by that condition, it's where we are able to identify a level of change of character. Change of character, we're talking about the ChoCh. ChoCh is the change of character. So I'll show you. So if you can check here, this is a bullish uptrend. As you know that an uptrend it's moving like this. This is an uptrend. And then if you can check, this is our series of higher highs, and then these are our lower highs, something like that, LH, something like that, HH. And then there is a condition where we are having, you see, this is our HH. And then after here, what must we expect? We must expect a lower high. But if the market comes back below this level, you see this level, if it breaks here, this is our what? This is our CHoCH. Why? Because it cleared the previous low. So we are expecting the market now to start creating a lower, a downtrend. Do you understand? So meaning with the market will come back above this lower high, previous lower high, but it won't break this level. This is the prediction that I'm talking about. Let me show you. Let me show you the prediction that I'm talking about. It's gonna be something like this. This thing is very slow, yo. It's wasting my time, man. I want to show you that once the market it breaks below the previous low, a lower level, it will create a CHoCH. So by that time it breaks below, it's a CHoCH level, and then CHoCH level, it's a change of character, meaning which the market structure, the bullish market structure is no longer gonna be continuing. Then the market will push back above inside the previous level that it broke, but make sure or always know that it's no longer going to get above the what? Above this previous higher high. Then it will come and create another level here, then starting making a series of what? Of a lower, something like this. Higher low. A high that is below that one, and then it comes and create a what? A lower low, and then it starts trending down, something like that. So if you can check here, this is Nasdaq chart, guys. Let me show you. So for we don't have that CHoCH, it will only be created if the market doesn't come break above. Let me shift this chart. If the market doesn't come and break above here, you see this is a lower low, a higher high. So if the market does something like this, then this is our, you see, this is our lower low, you see. So if the market does something like this, and then it comes and clear this level and clear and decide to come break below here, and then this level is gonna be now what? Our CHoCH. Our CHoCH is gonna be this level. This is gonna be a level of CHoCH. And then the market will come and create that CHoCH, change of character, and then it comes again and create what? And come back and swing up like this. And then it won't come and break above the previous higher high. And then it comes again, it starts doing what? It starts trending down, creating a series of lower lows and higher lows. Do you understand? Then this is what we talk about CHoCH. A CHoCH is a failure of continuation of structure. That's a CHoCH. And then now let me show you a break of structure. A break of structure is a continuation of the bullish trend. If you can check here, I'm talking about something like this. This is the moment it clears this previous, this previous level. Let me do this. The moment it clears this previous level in a market structure, that's what we mean. A continuation of structure, we identify it as a BOS. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Guys, these things are very simple. You see, let me change this one. My time is running out, that's I'm trying to be fast. Then this is gonna be what? A BOS, a break of structure. Then let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. I'm talking about something like this. Come on. And here you can see this is our, if you can check, guys, this is our higher high, né? I've highlighted it. This is our higher high. So the moment the market does a continuation of structure and it clears the previous high, we call that level a break of structure. A break of structure is just a continuation. Then a change of character, it's a failure of continuation of the market structure. So I think everything was simple from there. You see, this is a BOS, simple like that. Another BOS, it's here. Another BOS, it's where? It's here. You see, it's breaking the previous what? The previous higher high. So the moment the market breaks the previous higher high, that level it's a BOS. Okay, guys, as we continue, clears the previous. So a break of structure is something like this. I mean, it's an uptrend, and then it's trending up. So here it's a what? When it breaks the previous higher high, that level it's a what? It's a BOS. Never another BOS here. BOS. Simple. BO what? S. Then it clears again. BOS. Never. It's simple. And then the moment the market, let's say, is trending up, I need to have BOS there. And then there is a condition where we're gonna have a highest high that is not gonna be breaked above. Never. And then the moment the market does something like this, it clears the what? The lower low. When the market comes and clears the what? The lower low. Never. Yeah, we are again. This is what? This is a CHoCH. A CHoCH. A CHoCH. So I won't write everything there. A CHoCH. And then you must always know, good, okay, the target is what? Is to sell below this level. The market won't come again and break above. And then it starts creating a what? A lower high. Never. And then it starts continuing like that. That's how the market works. Never near lower low. Then yati lower high there. Yati lower high. And then yati lower low. And then yati lower high. Never. This is the difference between the two. So if you can check that, this is a nice BOS. We have two BOS there, able to see. But I'm thinking I see another BOS there. Here it's another BOS. Never. So and simple. So this is how I identify them. Never. Here it is. Free and check, but it's just that a lot time frame, mostly bearish one, a bearish one, something like this here. This is a bearish trend. On this trend, you can a trend. So prices here, and then if you can check them everywhere are opposite. Where it clears the previous low. Okay, yeah. Okay, this is the level of candles. Okay, let's take this one. And then take this one, and then we can from there to there. Yeah, okay, take this. There won't be prices won't be like moving like this exactly because we are using what? Candlesticks. But then if we are able to see, we know this is the lower high, and then this is the lower low, then lower lows, lower low, then lower low, and then lower high. But then we are able to identify this. We all know this, as I told you. Lower high, near one, simple like that. And then what happens here? Now we start naming our about a lower high. You see, if I'm lying, tell me between virtual. This is another one there. If you can check. Is it lower low? Do you see what I'm saying? A CHoCH, by the time it's continuation on it, and then I will show you the CHoCH. We have a CHoCH here. Near one. This is what? This is our BOS. BOS, I told you it's a continuation BOS, but let me change the what? The color. So the font should be never the first one. The second one, every time simple, guys. I think I'm trying to move in the previous low. Never. This is a lower low. I didn't identify it. Lower low. Then now I want to show you this is a CHoCH. Why? Because it a what? Let me show you. Our this is our what? This is our CHoCH. Change of character. Change of character is chicken. From there, you are no longer following the trading on what? The bearish trend, because it's now invalid. It's no longer there. Lower low, we had another lower low that which is here, if I'm not mistaken. You can see we had another one that is there. Then we should have something like this. If the bearish market structure was valid, we should have something like this, and then what? A lower high. But then it break be above. So this is what it cleared. It cleared the previous lower high. Then this is a change of character. The market will no longer, like, you no longer, if you are trading the bearish trend, you're no longer using the strategy to trade the bearish trend. What? Simple like that. So here, remember the session I told you, I'm not showing you how to trade these things, but I'm showing you how to identify. There's gonna be a second session where I will show you how to trade this market structure, but already you know how to trade the market structure. But here I was just showing you in bank trading on how this SMC, on how to identify a break of structure and a change of character and what they mean. You see? So this is the difference: bearish trend and then the bullish market. Very a bullish trend. Already I've explained everything here. This was our start, and then this is what? This is the bearish side. And this is the bearish side, and this is our expectation. Since for me it's a Monday, it must break this, it must create a CHoCH and trend down. So if you can check, this is how we do it in a bearish side, and then this is how we do it on the bullish side. That is how we do it on the bearish, and then also have it on the bullish side. So good luck, guys. I think you managed to understand everything on how to identify a break of structure and a CHoCH. So CHoCH and a break of structure, they mean two things, but they don't explain two things. Like, okay, in simple explaining, like I can say different types of the market condition. Break of structure, a CHoCH, the structure is no longer in continuation. I think it's very simple. I'm trying to use elements language. So for those who attended, guys, and maybe think you didn't understand any part of anything here that I was trying to show you, you can meet me via inbox. And also, if you attended and then feedbacks are welcome, guys, are appreciated, because your feedback is adding more efforts to me. So good luck, guys. Meet on the second session on how to trade them. But then now I was showing you how to identify them. I can't multitask at one time, because what if you didn't understand how to identify? Obviously, you can't understand how to trade them. So move one step at a time. Good luck, guys. Peace.